First thing you want to do is take your key off the key ring. And again, this is a 2007 Honda Pilot key that I'll be working on. Now the base of this key is two plastic parts, and in order to open it up and get access to the battery, you need a small Phillips screwdriver. And so we are going to unscrew this small screw. Make sure your small screwdriver actually fits that screw nicely, otherwise you can strip it.
We have that open,
and when you get that screw out, you're going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and just pry open the key and just go all the way around it, prying it open until those two pieces come apart. Now take your time and do this gently because you do want to reassemble those two plastic parts. Once you're able to open the shell, then you're going to remove the housing inside it, and you're going to need to take this apart next. Now the base comes off of this housing, and again, you're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and you're going to very gently loosen the little clips, and there's going to be one on the top and one on the other side. And these are very fragile, so do this very carefully. As you can see, once you remove that clip, you now have access to your battery. Again, using the flathead screwdriver, I find this is the easiest way to just pop out that battery, and now we can match the part number. Here I am replacing a Panasonic CR1616 battery, but the brand is not important. You just want to make sure you get a CR1616 battery. This little guy was packaged pretty good in some clamshell, so I just used the scissors to open it up. Now make sure you clip in the new battery in the same orientation as the original. Now you are ready to reassemble it in reverse order, so you're going to very gently click in that housing until it's complete. And before we go ahead and put it inside the key shell, let's check the buttons and make sure that we see that little red LED light up. That lets us know that we have reassembled it properly. Then we can go ahead and put the key back together. Now the next part can be a little tricky. So you'll take the bottom shell and set the battery housing inside it. Then when we put on the top housing, you're going to want to kind of hinge it on from where the key ring goes, and you're going to want to snap that in place first, then snap it in place on the front of the key. You'll hear it click, and once you get that part done, you are now ready to screw in that screw. And I would screw it so that it's pretty tight. Don't strip it, but make sure that your metal key doesn't bend, because that's a good indication that your screw is not tight enough. Then once again, we'll check our buttons to make sure that it's functioning properly. Then you're done. You can put it back on the key ring. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.